Alright, hey guys, it's me. Just killed a bird. It's like all deformed. And ants are like eating it, and I think those are, I don't know what the hell that is. Don't you see that? Yeah. And, Gabriel, come here. And here's my friend. He killed it with, he didn't kill it like all the way I did. Here's my friend with his red rider. Help me finish that thing off. Like, you know what I mean. Yeah, how we killed it, there's this antenna up there and it started to roll down like that and then landed on there and it fell, started trying to fly. Killed it just in time before it flew away. Well, here's my gun. Killed it with, it's a Daisy 880. Pretty strong gun. Yeah.